The Indian River Lagoon, the most biologically diverse estuary in North America, spans 156 miles along Florida's east coast and borders 5 counties: Volusia, Brevard, Martin, St. Lucie, and Indian River. The lagoon is comprised of 3 main bodies of water: the Mosquito Lagoon, the Indian River, and the Banana River. This ecosystem is a vital nursery and habitat for over 4,000 species of plants and animals. However, the lagoon is threatened by pollution, resulting in severe water quality degradation, harmful algae blooms, seagrass loss, and declining populations of marine life. Contributors to nutrient loading in the Indian River Lagoon include lawn fertilization, residential and commercial septic systems, and stormwater runoff. Nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus have led to excessive algae growth, reducing the amount of sunlight available to seagrass and decreasing the amount of oxygen in the water. This widespread seagrass loss has impacted the entire ecosystem, primarily the manatee population. Ongoing restoration efforts have focused on reducing nitrogen and phosphorus levels through wastewater facility upgrades and stormwater management. Dr. Laura Wilson, the executive director of the Marine Resources Council, states, "While we've seen improvements in water quality and seagrass growth, there is still a lot of work that needs to be done. It is important that the public continues to advocate for responsible policies and participate in local restoration efforts." Conservationists have stressed the importance of following local fertilizer ordinances and limiting stormwater runoff by using rain barrels and rain gardens. Many nonprofits, government agencies, and research organizations are committed to restoring the Indian River Lagoon. These organizations work to reestablish biodiversity, improve water quality, and protect habitats. According to Dr. Dwayne DeFries, the executive director of the Indian River Lagoon Council and National Estuary Program, "I am optimistic about the future of the lagoon. However, even though the lagoon has shown recent signs of improvement, we are only in the beginning of this restoration effort."